Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back today with another video. Cannot show license plate. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get in this truck. So this is my friend's dad's truck, and his dad agreed to give us a spin in it. So we're gonna be in the back of the truck while his dad drives. It's gonna be scary, I swear to God.
Actually, not really.
It is gonna be scary.
Dad goes so slow.
He does?
Actually, one time he let us sit up here.
You know, I've never done this,
Guys,
so.
one time he let us sit up here.
Okay, I'm never sitting up there on this.
Don't do that. I told Matt to
Dude, this is scary.
No, it's not. Because he was really slow.
I never done this before.
I haven't done this either. It's
Finn,
fun,
will
though.
you stop?
No, guys, it's funner to stand up. I will.
I am not standing up.
I call this spot.
No way in the heck I'm standing up. I've never done this in my life.
Then you're gonna be really bored. Okay.
Happy
Hey, poo poo.
What the heck? Okay, so this is illegal. I don't know why the heck we're doing it anyways, but we're doing it.
Because
Fine.
life is.
You're not gonna post it on
No,
YouTube,
it's
right?
not. I am. I'll blur.
We're gonna. Okay. Well, then don't.
I'll blur your faces. I'll blur your faces out.
No, then don't say it's legal. Say it's not. It's
Hi.
because it's not really unfine. It's not really fine.
Nothing's illegal.
I don't want to be.
This is okay, I guess, because he's gonna be going slow, so it's fine. So
boring.
it's not
Restart the video.
I didn't show the license plate, so that's good.
going right now.
Yeah, it is going. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Catch you guys whenever we're going. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Can't wait till you move.
Guys,
here.
I've always wanted. Okay, guys, we're about to go. Finn, stop. Bruh.
It's moving the truck. Look at this.
Bruh, stop.
Hold her by the head.
Yeah, I swear.
The lights
Like,
have turned on, guys.
Bro, I'm nervous. I have never done this. I bet like a bunch of people have done this. I just bet. Yeah. Okay, boys.
Hold on to the bars.
I have to hold on with one hand. But I'm gonna hold with my strong hand. Which boy's better to hold? Skinny or fat?
Skinny.
Yeah.
Rules are, remember, Ken?
Yeah. What are the rules?
Not to scream.
Not to scream.
Don't scream.
No screaming, especially because when you scream, I think somebody's hurt. Okay?
Okay.
So I can't understand you or hear you if I hear a scream. It's
So we're allowed to scream if we're hurt.
No, honey.
Wait, what? Wait. Okay, if you're hurt, just scream. Just scream if you're hurt.
Just don't scream at all.
So, dude, I'm actually
If
nervous.
we die, we can't scream. Guys.
If we're dying, dude, like, is it recording? Yeah, it's recording, bro.
Once in a lifetime opportunity.
Oh my God,
we're starting to
dude!
move.
When it started
Wait,
moving,
film the hill. We're gonna go up. Wait, film the hill, guys. Wait for it. We're gonna go up.
dude, this is scary, bro.
Go
Why
up
the
that
heck?
hill right there?
This
We're
hill
going
right
up
here. We're
that
going
hill.
this hill. But why the heck are we doing, dude? This is scary. I've never done this. So,
Wait, guys, get me on camera. Get me on
Bro,
camera.
what the hell do I have to get you on camera?
Orange Justice.
Okay, when
Wait, that's not Orange Justice.
Oh my God, this is actually scary.
Yo,
I ain't never done this. So this is scary for me.
guys.
I'm not scared.
Well, okay, it's not that scary.
Wait for it. We gotta wait for it. Dad, can you start going to faster?
No, what the hell?
Wait, Mom, and
I ain't never done this.
Just hold on with both hands.
I'm recording. What do you think I am, a genie?
then just put it down.
No, I ain't putting it down.
Oh, why isn't it going fast?
Hey, shut up. Have you heard me?
Can you go fast?
I just go fast.
You're like, whatever, just end it.
Oh, he's starting. He's starting.
I thought we were going up the other hill.
Yeah, we're going to. Dad, can you go fast?
Bro, what you just...
Yeah, we're picking it up.
These people.
You call us picking it up?
No,
I call it 100 miles per hour. You call us picking it up?
Don't judge me, but this is my opportunity to decide
we
whether I
barely
like the
even
house.
get speed. Dad,
It's bumpy. I ain't never done this, so...
faster.
Hey, what the hell's wrong with you, dude?
Oh, yes. Ahead of you.
To your right, you will see a console
Like
skid.
nothing compared to what we used to do.
You're trashing it.
So, see, we're gonna go up that hill.
Down the hill.
Ow! Ow! Do you mind?
Yeah, tree.
Manners!
Dude, there's someone right here watching a movie. I'm gonna watch it.
No screaming. Whoops. Whoops.
Go fast down the hill.
No! Oh, hell no!
No, dude, we're not gonna go too fast. Just go.
You know I'm sitting if we go fast. If I get injured, I'm just gonna blame it on Finn. I don't care if it was bad driving or anything.
Probably would be.
Blaming it on Finn. Okay. Yeah, if I get injured, it's probably Finn just pushing me off.
I think we're gonna go fast down the hill.
Oh my god, dude.
It's gonna be so fun.
I'm
Orange
gonna,
justice. Orange
I'm
justice.
gonna get onto this different. Finn, don't do that.
No!
Oh, Finn, stop. You're gonna hit the phone down.
Oh, alright.
Okay. Well.
We're getting.
Oh my god.
Yeah, can you go a little faster?
Bro, can you guys quit it?
Usually he goes a lot faster than this.
Probably.
we go so much faster.
I think I'm the party pooper here.
No, it's because everybody looked.
Oh, because mom?
There was a dinosaur.
There's a dinosaur. I just remember no yelling.
Mom and Dad, come on. We can do better.
Okay, Finn.
Let's do it like it was at first. Yeah. We'll count down.
Oh, that's a luxury
We'll
house.
count down. 5, 4,
Finn.
3, 2, 1. Everyone's ready.
Finn, will you stop? I want to know with one hand, BTW. Right.
Right.
Calling a lawyer if I get. I don't have a lawyer. I'll call it.
Guys, we're going up the hill. Film it.
I'm calling a fake lawyer if.
Go like this with it.
Okay, we're picking up speed. You know me, dude.
Guys, we're going up the hill. We're going up the hill.
I ain't never done this, so I don't know how fast you guys normally go.
You should go a lot faster.
Okay, we're going really fast, right? Well, not really.
Yeah.
We're going like 3. I don't know. I'm super bad at guessing. I'm gonna just guess 3 miles per hour.
That's what I will. Right?
Yeah, 3 miles per hour is our guess.
We're taking off the hill. I think we're gonna start going fast.
Dude, I'm okay, buddy.
Sprinklers!
Sprinklers, what's up?
Don't show their address.
I know I didn't.
I went to like I'm trying to remember there. I went in London. There was like.
Bro, what the
Oh,
heck?
that's
Yeah, they're building a house.
A building, huh? It's luxury as heck. Oh, this is the biggest house I've seen in the neighborhood so far.
so slow?
Dude, I ain't never done this, so to me this is normal.
a house that has.
It's probably you said it's probably because your mom is in the truck.
Mom, if you're causing this, I don't like it.
What the hell, dude? Chill, bro. Chill. Calling a fake lawyer if I. Oh, and we're going downhill. No, we're about to go downhill.
Oh, it's far downhill.
It's far?
It's pretty far.
Dude, hell nah.
Look at it.
Down on the hill, we see Amelia's house.
Who the hell Amelia? Why the hell you guys? I'm staying back here. Okay, you know what? I'm coming. Fine, I'm coming. No. Okay.
Souvenir!
Then stop.
I think I can get one on the side. Dang it.
Why the heck we stop? Oh my god. Oh my god. No. I'm calling a fake lawyer.
Calling down for real.
It's not calling down. It's going down. Oh my god. It's going down for real. I'm not calling down for real. Mister, I don't know the lyrics.
He's literally talking.
Yes?
Dad, can we please go faster?
Dude.
Like our normal.
You're annoying, bro. Bro, you're annoying. This is good. Anything faster, I'm killing you. If you cause it to go faster, Finn, expect yourself in heaven tomorrow morning. Oh my god. Hey, yo!
Guys, no hands.
No, bro, I ain't doing no hands. You're leaning, but that counts.
No, okay. Now I'm not doing hands.
No, dude, you're an idiot, bro.
I'm going down. This is so fun.
It's actually pretty fun.
This is like a vlog.
I ain't never done this. Yeah, it is a vlog, idiot. I ain't never done this, though.
Take a souvenir.
No, don't touch the tree. You're gonna get your hand cut. Yeah, one time when I was on it was like a double decker.
Guys, it looks way lighter. It looks way lighter in the camera, guys. It's actually like kind of dark. Oh, we're picking up some speed. I don't know what time my mom's picking me up. I think like 9. Yeah. 9:30, something like that. You know my mom. Okay, and over here we have nice cars.
Dude, I have an idea.
What? Dude, this feels really good after a hard practice. What the heck are you doing?
Right?
No.
Finn, it's Mary.
anybody drives by, I'm putting down the phone. Like,
There is one.
okay, I'll say hey. I'll get it on the camera too. Bro, why the hell they got Christmas lights, dude? It's the 7th month of the year.
Oh my god.
In 5 seconds, I'm gonna say hello neighborhood.
No, dude. 5, 1. Hello, neighborhood! Dude, we're not allowed to scream, you idiot!
No, he knows.
Dude,
Hello neighborhood. Really? Do you think I'm screaming and panicking when I say hello neighborhood?
yeah, well, no, but both. Oh my god! Souvenir! You got a branch in the freaking tree. Finn would go. Are you? You got it in my shirt, Emma.
Guys, I got a souvenir.
Okay,
Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful?
just a stick. Okay, whatever. Finn, stop.
I need to grab on.
But
We going down.
I don't know how you felt about it. You were just like,
I'm standing in the back for a better camera view.
I was like, dude.
Oh my god.
Ew!
Yeah.
Look you.
Dude, this is like.
It's
Trash cans over here.
I'm doing no hands. I'm doing no hands right now.
I'm naming.
I'm rocking no hands. I'm rocking no hands. Let's go, baby. Ain't like whatever.
Isn't he gonna die?
Dude, I ain't doing no hands, bro. I'm putting back my hand. What's the point of putting a hand on it? Anyways. Okay. See you with the floss. Boom shaka laka laka boom shaka
And then
laka
we got like whatever Orange Justice is. I don't know how to do it.
laka. Okay, whatever. Almost everybody I know doesn't know how to do Orange Justice. Colin?
Yeah.
Riley says he can, but he can't. They should have. Okay, I think we're going back home.
We're going around this one more time.
That's pretty cool. This is actually really nice. Go faster.
Yeah, can we please pick
Why
up
the heck
speed?
am I saying go?
Can
Okay.
we please pick up speed for the last little bit, please?
Everyone here is amazing.
Finn, you got to go faster. Thank you.
That's why it's amazing.
Oh my god, we're going so fast right now, buddy. We're going so fast right. Oh, dude, there's a car right there.
Hi guys.
Oh my god.
Hi.
What's up? She just looked at me. Really?
See if you're driving by, I saw her. And hello, and hello to you, and hello to you.
This is probably the best video ever recorded with a phone.
No, dude. Just gotta get that. What the luxurious.
Bro, what the hell, dude? You're so
That looks
stupid.
like a mansion. Yeah, don't shoot, don't shoot.
What? I'm not even-
What? No, because dude, they could have shown us. Car. Truck. It's not Lamborghini.
If that was a Lambo, dude, you almost made me drop the phone, dude. Like, that's not funny.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to just address.
Dude, you're so. You know something's called blowing out, right?
Yo.
Okay, let's see, buddy.
I know you don't know how far though.
I can just get it.
JK, he knows how.
Just don't do that again. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice house.
Ow! See it hurts our construction. I do that sometimes. I don't know why. Sometimes I'm just like,
I wasn't even focusing on the camera.
Dude, crane. It's the best.
What?
Crane.
But that was not here 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, I swear I was.
Yeah, it was not here 2 seconds ago. I even got a film on it. We're going downhill.
Don't do it.
Whee! Oh my god. I just want to let go.
Some bumps.
Some bumps.
Bumps. We like them.
Dude, it feels like the truck's gonna flip. I don't know why.
This is a nice breeze.
Whoopsies. This video has gone way longer than I thought. It's gone 14 minutes and 17 seconds so far. Make sure to like and subscribe, by the way, guys. On a road
And
to
that was our
100
tour
subs.
through the neighborhood.
Nope, we still going. Oh, hey, we parking. And don't whine.
Oh, my cat's still sitting there. Hello, kitty.
Wait, we still gotta do the trampoline.
Oh my gosh, this
Trampoline thing, Finn. Ain't the end of the video? Ain't the end of the video? Still got the trampoline. Okay, guys, we'll catch you. We're gonna go in and eat real quick. Okay, guys. So I'm getting out right now.
We're getting out.
Yep, buddy.
Don't show license plate.
Okay, can't show license plate. Never show license plate. Ow!
Oh,
Frick!
dude, he just jumped. He was right here, guys, and he just jumped.
I just jumped off right there, from right there. Suicide.
Not right here, right here.
I know, dude, that actually hurt my feet. All right, fans, so now what we're going to be doing, guys, oh, we might not be able to do it because it's dark. Yeah, we'll do it. So now what we're going to be doing, guys, we're going to go in the trampoline. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. I'm going to lay down. And, yeah. Okay, guys, so we're going to do this, buddies. We're going to do this, buddy boy broskies. Cool guys, whatever. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. We need to go somewhere. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do, Finn's going to jump on the trampoline, on his trampoline, while I'm laying down, and we're going to see what happens. Let's go, buddy. Do it. Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, oh, oh. The phone went flying. The phone just went flying. The phone just went flying. Holy crap.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, make sure to sub. This is probably one of my funnest videos I've ever done, dude. It was awesome.
And tap the bell.
And tap the make sure you click that bell, buddy. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Also, wait.
Yeah, what's up?
Promoting the Gaming Garrett.
The Gaming Gyarados is his channel, guys. Promoting him. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Hey.